Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I think I can officially say that this is going to be the last video this season of the hay bale, straw bale garden. For trying the hay bale, straw bale garden this far north, we really did have great success. I mean, Melissa grew a lot of vegetables out of this garden. Still have a few tomatoes here to harvest, and then we're going to call it done. Nice head of cabbage there. All right, there we go. I mean, we already picked a bunch of these before and canned them, and this will be the last ones. Some of these will ripen. Anything that has a frozen spot on it, it will rot. So we'll just come down and check every couple days, and some of them are already ready to go. And hopefully these green ones will ripen up down here. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. Melissa still has peaches to do, raspberries to do. I think she wants to do apples. She has a whole bunch of stuff that she still wants to can. I will see you guys on the next video.